Bonjour to the French Canadians I ski with at Jay Peak. Tschüss to my German friends from Bear AG. And hey, as my niece would say to my American friends. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Valerie Patrick and I spent 25 years working for Monsanto and Bayer. And since 2013, I've worked as a professional facilitator, instructional designer, and trainer. I'm also author of the book, When Bad Teams Happen to Good People, which bears the title my husband came up with, and he will never let me forget that his title won the heart of my publisher over a dozen or so title ideas. Now I'm making this video to tell you about my latest course on Thinkific, which I titled Virtual Meeting Mastery, How to Lead Virtual Meetings That Produce the Most Results for the Investment. Now I created this course because collaboration really has suffered in organizations since the pandemic. This is not surprising because collaborating remotely is much more difficult than collaborating in person. And collaborating in person isn't always easy either, but the science shows that collaborating remotely has some unique challenges compared to collaborating in person. And these days, you're expected to collaborate both remotely and in person. But if you can master collaborating remotely, then you can master all forms of collaboration, since collaborating remotely is the most difficult. And I have good news for you. Not only did I write a book about collaboration, but now I have created a course on mastering remote collaboration. And my course, Virtual Meeting Mastery, is focused on the unique aspects of remote collaboration so that you can be successful every time you lead a virtual meeting. This is a comprehensive course that is being offered at a great value, so I invite you to check it out and see if it's for you. I have even created a course club kit for this course. So what that means is that if you get a buddy to do the course with you or a small group, you guys can maximize your learning by pacing through the course together and using the discussion questions by lesson in the course club kit to get together on a regular basis to talk about the course and share what you learned from a given lesson and in doing that lesson's assignment. The course club kit is free, so check that out as well and see if that's for you.